Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today we have the 2019 Audi A4 S-Line. You can tell my spring allergies are awful, lost my voice, so I'll be a little bit quieter on this review, but still wanted to take a look at this car. Illuminated kick plate. Absolutely gorgeous. But let's go for a drive. So the S-Line, man, the S-Line is gonna be kind of that middle ground between the A4 and the S4. It's gonna have the 2-liter 4-cylinder, but still plenty of power for day-to-day use. I do love the red stitching all throughout. The steering wheel is great. Just everything is really, really nice. Brake pedal feel is great. Alright, I'm going to try and sum this up. Overall, the car is just absolutely excellent. I love driving it. Spent some time in it last night. It's an awesome car. I spent some time in a 2019 330i M Sport, and I definitely think this is very, very similar. I'm not sure which one I would go with, but I'm very, very impressed. This has proven to me, yes, you want the S4, but you really don't need it. This S-Line is just perfect for every situation. And I'm honestly very impressed. Very impressed. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.